You've seen the edits. That insane moment where the camera literally disappears into the rim of a car and pops out somewhere new. It's called the wheel zoom, and today I'm showing you exactly how to master it in DaVinci Resolve. First things first, we need our 2 clips. I've already speed ramped these to keep the energy high. Head over to the color page, grab your pen tool or the oval mask if you're feeling lazy, and trace the exact outline of that rim. Pro tip: accuracy is everything here. If your mask is wobbly, the whole illusion breaks. Right-click the node area and select Add Alpha Output. Connect that blue square. Boom, your wheel is now a standalone element. Don't forget to track the mask. Since the car is moving, we need that mask to stick like glue. Now we're essentially building a sandwich. Copy your layer and invert the mask on the bottom one. This gives us the background and the wheel on 2 separate tracks. Turn them into compound clips. This makes the next step in the Fusion page way cleaner. Inside Fusion, we're adding a transform node. We want that wheel to stay centered while the rest of the world zooms away. Highlight your keyframes and hit S to smooth them out. We want a fast, slow, fast movement. Copy my graph on screen if you want that signature velocity _65 snap. This is where the magic happens. Slide your second clip directly under that masked rim. As we zoom into the wheel, the second scene should already be visible inside the center of the rim. Scale it up until the first clip is completely gone. I like to add a subtle fade out on the original background to make the switch feel buttery smooth. Check the playback. If it feels like you're teleporting through the car, you did it right. That is how you turn a standard car clip into a cinematic masterpiece. If this helped you out, drop a comment below. I'm Velocity _65, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.